Hello, beautiful people. Now we're going to be working on playing with both hands at the same time using our scales. We're going to do, we've already done the 5-finger pattern with both hands. And if we haven't done that already, feel free to practice that with both hands. But we're going to do the major scale for 1 octave using both hands. Remember the major scale with the right hand, just as a review, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 with the right hand. With the left hand, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 3, 2, 1. Okay? Now when you put both of those together, right here is where you switch with your thumb with your right hand. Use that pointer finger with your left hand. Thumb with your left hand right here. And now this is where you come over with your middle finger with your right hand. Middle finger with your left hand and middle finger with your right hand as well. And finish it out. Here it is again. Switch with your right hand. Switch to your middle finger with your left hand right here. And when you go backwards, same thing. Now you switch with your thumb with your left hand. And now you use your middle finger with your right hand. Finish out those notes. Here it is again. Here it is one more time. Don't worry about if it's a little frustrating getting it at first. It'll take some practice, I guarantee you, but you will get it. Okay, here is D. We're going to do that same thing with D. Same thing with our right hand. We use the same fingering, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And with our left hand, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 3, 2, 1. And we use the exact same fingering that we did before. Just that. Same thing with E. Same exact fingering. Here it is again. I'll take it slow. Okay, we're going to skip F because that'll require some different fingering with both hands. For G, same exact fingering as what we've been doing. One more time. Same thing with A, same fingering. It is again. Okay, and B, well, B will require some different fingering with our left hand. Now we'll go to F. F, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4 with our right hand, just as we discovered before. And with our left hand, we're going to use 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 3, 2, 1. So when we put both of these together, right here is where you use your thumb with your right hand, and it's your thumb with your left hand. Right here is where you use your middle finger with your left hand on D, and use the rest of your fingers with your right hand. Here it is again. Thumb with both hands, middle finger with the left hand on D. When you come back down, here's where you put your thumb with both hands is on C. You do your ring finger with your right hand, pointer finger with your left hand. Here it is again. Okay, and on B, with your right hand, you're using 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. With your left hand, we're using 4, 3, 2, 1, 4, 3, 2, 1. And when you put those together, start with your ring finger with your left hand. Use your thumb here, and you're going to use your thumb with E on both fingers, on both hands. And reach with your ring finger with your left hand for F sharp, and with your right hand, use all of your fingers. Here it is again. Start with your ring finger with your left hand, thumb with both hands, ring finger with your left hand, and pointer finger with your right hand. When you come back down, use all those fingers. And here's where you do thumb with both hands, middle finger with your left hand on that E flat, and pointer finger with your, middle finger with your right hand on E flat, pointer finger with your left hand on E flat. And on that ring finger. Here it is again. Believe me, you'll get it, guys. It's going to take some. It will be a little frustrating, or it might be a little frustrating at first, but you will get it. And for C sharp, use your pointer finger. Use the same fingering that we covered before with your right hand. Use the same fingering that you covered before with your left hand. And now we put those babies together. So start with your pointer finger on your right hand, your middle finger with your left hand. Thumb on that F sharp, thumb on that F with both hands. Now use your ring finger with your left hand for F sharp, and your pointer finger with your right hand. Here's thumb with both hands again, and you can end this with your pointer finger with your left hand, and your pointer finger with both hands. Here it is again. Thumb. Thumb again. Here it is again. Thumb. Thumb. When we come back down, thumb with both hands. With your left hand, that's going to be your pointer finger. With your right hand, that's going to be your ring finger. Use all these fingers. Here is thumb with both hands. Middle finger with your right hand, pointer finger with your left hand, and end it. Here it is again. One more time. Okay, so here is E flat and E flat with your right hand. The same fingering that we covered before, and the same fingering with your left hand that we covered before. Okay? We start with our middle finger with both hands, thumb with our right hand here on F, pointer finger with our left hand here. This is our pointer finger with our right hand, and our thumb with our left hand. Okay? Here's where you switch to your ring finger with your left hand. Use your pointer finger with your right hand. It's going to be your thumb with your right hand here on C, and your pointer finger with your left hand. This is going to be your pointer finger with your right hand, and your thumb with your left hand. Middle finger. I know that seems kind of confusing. Here it is again. Ring finger with that left hand, and middle finger with that right hand. Here it is again in slow motion. And we retrace our fingers on the way down. Ring finger with that right hand. Thumb with that left hand right here. Thumb with that right hand. Back to that middle with both hands. Here it is again. From here on out, instead of explaining, I'm just going to show you in slow motion because it'll just make more sense if you can just look at my fingers. Here it is again. Here's a little faster. Here's A flat. Here it is again. A little faster. Here's B flat. Here's a little faster. Good. You will get it, I promise you. Just take your time and feel free to look at my fingers, rewind the tape just like we did before, and I will see you at the next lesson.